3 tips for building your social media brand. It's more important now than ever before to build your brand on social media if you want to make it big. In fact, many influencers garner fame overnight by employing just the right strategy to position themselves for success. But you'll need to know how to handle your social the right way. It's easy to get everything set up and have it be a total flop. Here are 3 tips for getting started. Here's the first tip for building your social media brand. If you already have an online presence, it's time to update, especially if you have a Facebook account or a Twitter just for fun. There's a big difference between using these to coordinate birthday parties and chat with friends and building an entertainment brand that's sure to get noticed by the masses. Decide which social media accounts you already have up and running that you are going to focus on and delete any old accounts that'll no longer serve you. Then make sure all of your information is complete and up to date, so your accounts are searchable. Cleaning up content means deleting anything that could adversely impact your mission too, such as old college pics or last night's status update. Here's the second tip for building your social media brand. Once you've cleaned up old content and made room for the new, decide what you want the focus of your social media brand to be. Are you a rock star singer? Do you get booked in indie films more than anyone you know? Are you hoping to be the next supermodel? Whatever the direction you're headed, you'll want to build your brand around this. And your profiles should reflect where you're at. They should also be streamlined in a way that your future goals aren't confusing. You'll want to maintain consistency across platforms, meaning your overall brand should be the same on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, etc. Here's the third tip for building your social media brand. Once you have new, relevant content uploaded, and feel like you're representing yourself in a way that will allow you to project your brand to your intended audience, it's time to consider how to make updating from here on out as easy as possible. Anyone following your profiles will want to see you're actually active on them, and this can be difficult to do. Maintaining an online presence can be time-consuming amid all of life's other responsibilities. The best way to make sure you're giving fans what they're looking for is to use social media apps that do the updating for you. Yes, that's really a thing, and it will save you a ton of time. Consider familiarizing yourself with Buffer, Hootsuite, Sprout, or any other handy tool that will allow you to cross-post and schedule in advance. There's a reason that celebrities are so active on their social. It's a super easy way to get noticed by a large number of people. This makes having a solid social media brand essential. Follow these easy steps and you'll be able to quickly transition from a hodgepodge presence to streamlined success overnight. To learn more, feel free to sign up for our free virtual open call. On this free virtual open call, you will learn about the recent changes in the modeling and acting industries that is opening the doors for more job opportunities. You will learn cutting-edge ways to gain access to a steady stream of high-paying modeling and acting jobs in your local area. You will also learn how to receive continued online training workshops that will prepare you for that big audition or casting call. Click the link below to register now.